Learner's Deck is back again. So the topic that we have selected today is specifically designed for product or portfolio managers and teachers. Specifically the maths teachers which are using equations and trigonometric functions in their daily routine. Let's see what we have selected today. So in our daily routine life, for example, I need to write an equation, or within our SLA, I need to provide a relation between two different products or maybe portfolios. In doing so, I need to search for special characters or Greek letters, as I'm not habitual of writing all this, so I don't know how to write this on my normal keyboard. But Google Drive is a place where you can find a concise, easy and accessible solution. Let's see how. Just go to this new tab, and please know that you can either use it in your document or your Google Sheet, or you can use it within your slides as well if you are preparing a PPT, but we'll see how it can be done within the document. Start a new blank document. I'll increase the size of the text so that you can see easily what is going on the screen. See, I have to write sine alpha first. So I have written easily sine, but after this I need to write alpha, which is a Greek letter. So what I do have different options. I can search Google how to write alpha, or I can ask for a shortcut to write alpha, or there are certain different options, but Google Drive has a specific function for all these problems. Go to this insert tab. Under the insert tab, you will see a function which is called as equation. The best part Google Drive has is this equation has 5 different categories which covers all the professionals around the globe. The very first category is called as Greek letters. Here is the category. Under this drop down, you will see that there are complete Greek language, Greek letters, and you can use this within your document. The second category is called as Miscellaneous Operations. Go to this drop down menu and you will see a lot of miscellaneous operators, for example multiplication sign, divide, decimal, etc. Now if you need to provide a relation between two variables, two products, or maybe you need to show a relation between two portfolios, this must be of higher interest for the product or portfolio managers, so you can use these operators. For teachers, the fourth category is specifically for teachers. Here you can see that you can even see the intersection and the union functions, which are hardly available on internet. The fifth and the last category is the arrows, or you can call it relational operators. These categories are basically used to show relation between two different strings, two different variables, or two different products. Currently what I have to write here is alpha. So what I'll do is I'll go to this Greek letter drop down menu and I'll click alpha. See, it's easily available. Isn't that easy? So let's see what more we can do with it. Now I think I need to write square root of 81. Let's see how we can do it. Select equation, go to this maths operation and select this. It's there. Now for example you need to show some maybe fraction within your document. This is important for professionals as well. So just go to this equation, go to maths operations and select this A ratio B. You need to write 1 by 2, write 1. After this click or press enter and then write 2. Here it is, it's 1 by 2. I hope the video is interesting and you have learned a lot with this. Please do provide us with your feedback, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, which is Learner's Deck. We'll be right back with more exciting videos. Stay tuned.